there's a research study that showed that self-compassion reduces physical pain and reduces it, I think, more than the gold standard, which I think, in terms of at least the psychological intervention, not like drugs or anything, that CBT is like the gold standard, I think, for reducing pain, how you relate to your pain, that it actually was more effective than that. And that's because you're giving yourself the warmth. So whether it's emotional pain or it's physical pain, so the pain is there, right? It's not like it's made up, it is there, but we exacerbate it when we clench against it. So whether it's a feeling of sadness and we fight against it and then it gets more intense, or if it's a feeling of discomfort and we fight against it and it gets more intense. Um, Located in your body, that bit should be pretty easy. But the softening, just imagining that you're like almost relaxing your body around it. And it can be hard if it's an intense physical pain. So, like for instance, if you feel like a nugget of pain, you can go to the outer periphery of it, like as far as you need to go to where it feels safe to put your attention there. You can just kind of soften around it. Like imagine just softening. Sometimes I repeat to myself, soften, soften. Soothing. Physical touch is so helpful, especially when you're feeling physical pain. Put a warm hand there, maybe like rub wherever it is you're feeling. Say some words like, I'm so sorry you're feeling this. I'm here for you. It's going to be okay. Just kind of, just like if someone were to put their hand on your shoulder and gave you a hug and said, I'm so sorry you're feeling this. It just helps having that love and that care. Um, and then when you allow the pain just to be there, and again, it can be tricky because every cell in our body is screaming, danger, danger, there's a problem, there's been pain, there's something wrong. And that's why we clench up and fight against it. But if you can just, to the extent that you're able to, just allow the pain to be there, it really does lessen. And for people who are really skilled at this, believe it or not, like I have some friends who are really skilled meditation practitioners who are really good at like mindful allowing. They even like go to the dentist and get a cavity filled without needing Novocaine. Now that's like super athletic level to me, but it does really work. It's funny though, it helps to lessen the pain, but if you do it in order to lessen the pain, then you're actually trying to manipulate it. And if you have a hidden agenda to make the pain go away, that's still a way of resisting it. So what you have to do is just kind of love yourself and give yourself compassion because it really hurts. And then that's what actually allows us to soften and allow a little bit and help us be with the pain.